Namaste. Subject Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Entrance Exam Section 2 Mathematics 250 Self-Study Problems on Mathematics. Problem number 40. 238 divided by 1, so fill up the box, equal to 17. The numeral to be in the box is option A 2, option B 7, option C 4, option D is 3. So answer for this problem. So 238 divided by 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Okay. Equal to 17. So find out the numeral to be in the box. Okay. So how to find out? Recall the table. Which table? 7th table. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 7 4s are 28. In the unit place, 8 is there. Here also in the unit place, 8 will be there. Okay. So after that, what to do? Then ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ option C is the correct answer. How? Andre, so assume here 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So 17 into 4. So 17 into 14. So we know this 14th table. 14 7s are 98. So 8 9 carry. 14 1s are 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. So 238. So 14 into 17. So that is 238. So in the box, the numeral to be in the box is 4. Okay. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you so much.